Bismillah, Nabinur, wasi. Bismillah, wasi. Bismillah, Makr, wasi. Rahim Karim Noor. This song is called Screwing Her Tummy by the Hood Birds. Pushing rum in her stomach, just so drunk she wants to fuck me. Rushing to school her, good feeling so good she feels like sucking cream. I put her with my one-man gang bang. Her boo no just hang a ton of cream. Oh yes, I jet into her. Peru's best and sexual. Marks get set and screw her. Hungry monkey dumpling, I'll eat it up and shoot some. Screwing her tummy, screwing her tummy, me. Where's the chorus at? Livia major and minor smile. I do her. We're not here to abuse her. I'm here to school her. Tell me you're the pretty mommy. Strip off your ye nakedly. Screw her tummy, me. Screw her tummy. She said, please use condoms because I nut in her. Screwing her tummy, me. Screwing her tummy, screwing her tummy.